Dear audience, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the vertical angles and some properties of the vertical angles. Dear audience, on the screen we find a figure where AB and CD straight lines intersect each other at the point O. From the figure, you will find that intersecting the two straight lines, four angles are made. And from your careful observation, you will find that the angle AOD is made the opposite rays of the two sides of the angles BOC. That means if we consider angle BOC, then the opposite ray of OC and OB are respectively OD and OA. And the angle between these two opposite rays is angle AOD. This angle is the vertically opposite angle of the BOC. Similarly, if we consider the angle AOD and if we draw the opposite ray of OA and OD as a OB and OC, then the angle between these two opposite rays OB and OC is angle BOC. So angle BOC is the vertically opposite angle of AOD. Similarly, we can say that the angle AOC is the vertically opposite angle of the BOD. Again, angle BOD is the vertically opposite angle of the angle AOC. So from our discussion, we can say that if we draw the opposite rays of the two sides of an angle, then the angle is made in this way is known as vertically opposite angle of the given angle. It is also known to us that always vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. In the figure, AOD and BOC are vertically opposite angles to each other. Where is the AOD? AOD and angle BOC. These two angles are the vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle AOC and angle BOD are the vertically opposite angle to each other. And the properties of the vertically opposite angles, we have already known that the vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So we can say that angle AOD equals angle BOC. Similarly, the angle AOC equals the angle BOD. In the figure, we find that the two lines MN and PQ intersect at the point O, and the angle between ON and OQ is NOQ is equal to 45 degree. So according to this figure, we have to answer to some questions. So first question is here, what is the vertically opposite angle of the angle MOP? Here the angle MOP is this, and if we extend or if we draw the opposite ray of MO, we'll find ON. And if we draw the opposite ray of OP, then we'll find OQ. So we can say that the angle between ON and OQ is NOQ. So NOQ is the vertically opposite angle of MOP. So we can write this, the vertically opposite angle of MOP is NOQ. The second question is, What is the vertically opposite angle of PON? Where is the PON? PON. If we extend OP and ON to the opposite direction, we'll find the opposite ray of OP and ON as OQ and OM, and the angle between these two opposite rays is the MOQ. So MOQ is the vertically opposite angle of PON. So we can write here the vertically opposite angle of PON is MOQ. Here the third question is, what is the measurement of the angle MOP? Here MOP. Since MOP is the vertically opposite angle of NOQ, so we can say that these two angles will be equal to each other. That means the measurement of MOP will be 45 degree, and this can be written in this way. MOP equals NOQ. Angle MOP equals angle NOQ, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles, so we can write they are equal. But the measurement of NOQ is given here 45 degree, so instead of NOQ, angle NOQ, we write here 45 degree. So the measurement of angle MOP is 45 degree. The question number 4, we have to find the measurement of the angle MOQ. Where is the MOQ? MOQ. So first of all, we write here MOQ. But it is clear that the MO, the ray MO, meet with the straight line at the point O. So as a consequence, two adjacent angles POM and MOQ are made, and their sum is 180 degree. It is known to us. But between these two angles, one of them is the 45 degree. This angle is the 45 degree. So we can write MOQ equals 180 degree minus NOQ. That means if we subtract this NOQ here, NOQ from the whole 180 degree, then we'll find MOQ. So subtracting NOQ from 180 degree, we get 135 degree. So we can say that the angle MOQ equals 135 degree. Dear audience, I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.